Welcome to ItzRafiq. In this video, I am going to discuss the computer applications question paper of CBSE class 10. This is the question paper of final examination 2023. And this paper is for 50 marks. First, we'll discuss the MCQs. Here are 12 MCQs. First one is Suhani asks her colleague for her project work and then copies the entire work, submit it to her team leader and claiming it to her own work. The act performed by Suhani is known as. See, when you are copying something from the internet or from somewhere exactly same and you are representing it as your own, it is known as plagiarizing. So the act done by Suhani is plagiarizing. Next one, what is the expansion of SMS? It will be short message service. Then which of the following is an e-shopping portal? I think everyone know it's Flipkart. Next one, which of the following is not an e-governance? Aadhaar is from government, Sarati is from government, DigiLocker is also from government, so Zomato is owned by private companies. Which protocol that is used to send emails? It will be SMTP. SMTP is used to send email and POP is used to receive. SFTP it will be sending file over the internet in a secure manner. Then which of the following is not an attribute of IMG? It is source. The attribute is src, not source. Okay, the next question, HTML provide us with this level of heading. It is 6. HTML provides 6 level of heading. Which of the following is invalid for font tag? It is width. Face, size and color are attribute of font and width is not attribute of font. Next, the default starting value of an order list is 1. If we want I or A, then we have to define the type. If we do not define the type, it will come as 1. Next question, we have to assertion and region. We have to find out the answer. First one is MOOC help geographically dispersed students to pursue any online courses, and reason MOOC is free web-based distance learning program. So the answer will be both A and B are true, and the correct explanation then B are true, and the correct explanation of assertion A. Then number 12, BR tag is a container. It is false. BR is an empty tag. The HTML element that have both opening and closing tag are known as container. So explanation part is true, but the assertion is false. So assertion A is false, reason R is true. Number D will be correct answer. Next question, number 13. Here 2 marks questions. Difference between chat and email services. Chat we use for textual services. Email we use for official purpose or for long mails. You can have more points. 2 marks questions, so at least 2 points you can add. You can give example, or like for chatting WhatsApp, Messenger, and for email Gmail, Hotmail, etc. What is e-governance? When we avail the facility of government over the internet through a portal or app, it is known as e-governance. Write the name of any 2 services that can be provided using e-governance. Like 2 services we can say online education, Swayam, and online text for that in online text services. That will be e-governance services. What is internet? When we connect what is internet? When we connect multiple network together for sharing resources, information around the world, it is known as internet. How can we retrieve information from the internet? To retrieve information from the internet, we require a browser. On the browser, we'll write the address or we'll search the particular thing whatever we required, and it will display the result on the web page. That way you can write the answer. How can we embed audio and audio in an HTML document? That answer you will write, we can use audio tag to embed audio in an HTML document. Give example of any, give an example to support your answer. So you can give syntax like audio src music.mp3, then this way you can give the example. Number 16, define licensed software. Name any two licensed software. The software which required license or subscription to use it, it is known as licensed software. For example, MS Word, MS Office, Adobe Photoshop, etc. How can we reduce digital divide? Give any 2 points. We can reduce digital divide by following points. You can give 1 point. To educate the people about technologies. Number 2, to give mobile or tablet to the poor people who cannot afford, or to donate our old devices like laptop and mobile to poor people who cannot afford them. How is CSS beneficial for web page development? Give any 2 points. It is used to design the web pages. It makes web development much easier. That you can write. Illustrate the use of radio button input type on an HTML form with appropriate code and corresponding output. For that, for a radio button we use when we require just one. For multiple choices we need just one input. At that time we use radio button, and this syntax we'll discuss in some other video. Write the difference between OL and UL. Order list when ordering is necessary, unordered when ordering is not necessary. And for creating order list we use OL tag. For creating unordered list we create UL. For order list the attributes are start, type and reverse. For UL it have only one attribute, that is type. What is the difference between BR and P tag? BR tag is used to insert a new line to a web page, and P tag, it is used to create a separate block of text in a web page. An example, you can give the example. Section C, it is for 3 marks. First question, how do intellectual property rights provide protection to digital work? We can protect our digital property or digital things like music, videos or any other digital thing by using intellectual property rights. They are copyrights, trademark and patent. Write any 2 ways to avoid plagiarism. The first way will be always give credit to the original author, and second one, do not copy exactly same from the internet. Number 21, consider the following URL, HTTPS and second one is HTTP. The question A, what is the difference between URL 1 and URL 2? URL 1 is secured one and URL 2 is not secured. Which of the URL will you prefer to use and why? I will use URL 1 because URL 1 is secure, while I will transmit data over that URL, it will be encrypted and the third person will not able to read it. Expand www, it will be World Wide Web. Number 22, write the equivalent CSS code to set the following style for a web page. Enter page background color should be yellow. Second level heading, so I am writing that 22A. The answer will be this way. I am opening Notepad. So the question 22A will be this one. 22A. Write the equivalent CSS code for the following. We have to give page background color for the entire page. So we will select body property. Body selector, BODY, body, and inside bracket we will write background this color, and the color name it will be yellow. After that, number 2, this is 22A1. After that, bracket will be closed. Now B2, sorry, not B, it will be A only, A2. The second level heading properties should be as follows. Text color should be red, left margin should be 25px. So our selector will be H2 inside bracket, color it's red, and left margin would be 25px in semicolon, and bracket will be closed. So this way you will write answer of 22A. Now we'll come to B. Write the CSS code to display the first level heading as my school in green color and center align. So we'll write this way. It is B1. We have to write for heading level 1, so our selector is H1, and we have to put the color in green, so we'll write color comma green, semicolon, and after that center align, so we'll write text align, or we can just write align colon center. So this way we will write this answer. And if we have to display the my school also, so we can do this one. We can use inline CSS. We can have bracket H1 bracket, then style equal, then we'll have inverted comma, and after writing all the properties, inverted comma will be closed, and here we'll write my school, then H1 will be closed. So this way we can give this style. Number 2, write the CSS code to display the following paragraph below the above mentioned heading. This is my school, I'll study in class 12. So means in heading level 1 I'll have to display these two lines. The properties of the paragraph should be as follows. Text color should be yellow, font size should be 25px, font style should be bold. So let's write it. We will write P. Here also I am writing inline CSS, style. Text color should be yellow, so we'll write color equal yellow. Where is the question? Okay, text color should be yellow, so we'll write it yellow. Color yellow, and after that font size should be 25px, so we'll write font size then 25px, and after that font style should be bold, so we'll write font style colon bold, then semicolon, after that inverted comma close, and we'll write the text whatever I have in the paragraph. It is like this is my school, BR, then I study in class 12. Then P will be closed. Now we will come to question number 23. Write the full form of the following: HTTPS Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure, TCP Transmission Control Protocol, SSH Secure SSH, I think it is a SSH will be secure cell, or secure socket cell. Now this part, write the HTML code to design the following web page, and you can write the code for any 4 specifications out of the 6 specification given. 6 specification like this: background color of the page should be yellow, text for the page should be in blue color. So let's do it. First we'll write the simple things to do this question. This is question number 24. So I am making this window little smaller so that you can have little more view of the code. You have to make this page, and for that, first we have to write home services. For that we will write, first for starting the HTML page we'll write HTML, then HTML, then we'll write head, after the title. In title we will see if give the title as home services only, then title close. After that we'll write body, head will be close, then body will be start. Now first we have to write home services, and it is a little bold, so we will write H3 home services, then H3 close. After that we'll put BR. Now after that you see one small image, so for that we'll write img src. I am giving this as a logo dot png, height equal 200, width equal 200. After that bracket close, then we'll go to next line again, BR. After that we are happy to announce this part is there, so I'm copying the text because if I'm going to type it, it will take much time, so I'm copying and pasting it. So I'm copying it and pasting it to the node page so that it finishes quickly. And here you will see on the question first st is written little above, so that st we will write inside sup tag, super tag, so that st will come a bit above. And also we'll see 30, the th also should go above, so we'll write sup, and sup will be closing. Okay, after that this full stop, then PR will be there. After that please contact us for the following services, then again BR, and here you will see a list is there. There are 3 items, so we'll copy this item again. In exam answer sheet you will have to write only, because there you cannot do copy paste. And this bullet points are, that means it is an unorderly, so we will write UL, then li, and we'll paste the points, li, again second time li, third time li. So this 3 are list. After that after finishing the list we'll close UL unordered list. Then we will write this one, queries help @homeservices.com. So for that it is in bold, so we'll write B tag, and also for underline we'll write U tag. Both I am writing U only, one should be B, bold and underline. Then I am pasting that, then U is closing and B is closing. After that we'll close body, then we'll close HTML. So this is the code to create this page. Now we will have to do the specifications. The first one, background color of the page should be in yellow, text should be in blue color. For that we can write in body, we will do inline CSS. So we'll write style equal background color yellow and text color blue. So color blue. So this part done. Now second question, the heading home services should be in first level of heading. Home services I have written here HT, so I'll make it H1. Next, the image name services service PNG. So this is not logo PNG, it will be service PNG should be placed on the web page. So I have already done this part. After that, the next point, font size of the paragraph, font size for the paragraph and list of the services should be font 4 and font face should be Vardhana. So before writing, we will start upper font tag, font, and we'll write it face equal, we'll paste it, and size equal 4 and bracket will be closed. After that we'll start the paragraph, and after creating the list we'll close the paragraph and close font. So this way done. This point also, the services is shown on the above page should be written with the help of unordered list. I have already created unordered list, so this also satisfied. The bottommost line queries help at their services should be a link, open user's default email client and to send queries of mentioned email ID. So means it should be an email link. For that we will do this one. We can cut U part. Here we'll write a href equal, we'll write mail to then colon, and we will write the email address, that help@homeservices.com. This part we will write after mail to, then inverted comma close, bracket close, and here we will close A. So this way done. So our all conditions are fulfilled. Now this part is our code. So if we open it in browser, how it look? Let's open VS Code. So there I am pasting the, I have to copy the complete code from Notepad. And pasting it to the VS Code. Now let's see the output. So this is our output. As you can see here, you will not able to see the picture because there is no picture such as services.png. and I think also heading level is not displaying. There might be some issue. Let's see it. Or their inverted comma is not closed. So save. Now you can see it's exactly same because picture was not available, so here nothing is displayed. Now we'll go to next question. You have to create this web page events, and here also we'll have to follow some thing. So let's copy the code so that it will be easy to write for us, and we'll paste it here. We'll do it in VS Code only. It will be easier to do. Now we'll see the sub questions. What we'll have to do. The background color of the page should be CYAN, CYAN, and font for the page should be Arial. So let's go here. Background color is cyan, so CYAN, and the font face should be Arial. So we'll remove it, that unnecessary part. Font family, we'll write Arial. Now we'll go to the second sub question. Heading events should be in the first level of heading. So this one, events, we'll write inside H1. After that, third question, the font size of the paragraph and the list of products should be 5. So we'll have to use P tag. After that, we'll write style. Then we'll write font size. It is given as 5. After that, bracket close, and P we will close after the list. After the list, we are going to close P tag. It's done. Now next question. The scheme shows as the above page should be written with the help of number list. Subscript text should be used wherever required. Number list, that means order list. So for that, we are going to use here OL tag. So we'll use OL, and after its number start, we are going to use LI, like LI. LI closing is not necessary, so we'll not close it. Again LI, again LI, again LI, again LI. After that, we will close the order list, so OL will be closed. So this way we'll make the number list, and I think here BR is required, and here ST superscript is required. Now we'll go to the next point. The bottommost line for any queries and fonts should be in bold. So we'll go to the last line. this one should be in bold, so we'll write B, and B closing will be after this line. Done. Now next question. The contact queries @event.com should be linked to an user default email client. For that we will use here, we'll go to VS Code again. Here we'll write a ItzRafiq, then we'll write equal mail to, then colon, inverted comma open, inverted comma close, and we'll write queries@event.com. Now let's see the last question. I think everything is done, so let's go to the browser and see the output. So this one now. This is the output of the page. I hope you have understood whatever we have discussed here, the answers. Now two more questions are there which are case based. Let's see the questions. Arif works in a school as web designer and he has been assigned for doing some tasks. Help him to complete the table with the right statement. Means we have to write the code for the table. Case studies we'll discuss in some other video. Thank you for watching. See you in a new video. Till then, take care and bye.